Make some noise if you love two-strokes. Guys don't have transponders on them. We'll do our we have beer. No. We have no beer. We're gonna have to stop and get beer. Are you drinking beer?
I wasn't going to. I got beer at my house if you want to go get it.
What are we gonna do with Highpoint with no beer? Star-spangled banner yet wave o'er the land of the free and the home of the brave. Kawasaki's and Husqvarna's up there in the mix. The number 4 right bag it does. Tomax in there as well, along with Savachi. Bagging has pulled some whole shots in the back right. His butler's got to be going wild. Alright guys, I'm on a solo mission trying to get into the pits to see one of the fellow YouTubers that vlogs, Jeff Walker. Guys, we made it. Alright guys, I made it over. I might have screwed myself by leaving the pit because at this gate over here, you can't get in with the purple. And I only have a purple because I was here yesterday for practice. And then these guys over here at this gate do not let you in with a purple, but I rolled in the main gate with a purple. Okay, so check this out. This is, you know, he got quite a gathering here for pictures or whatever. And this is all because of the YouTube, man. This is the vlog. This is the vlog squad. I wanted to go in and say what's up. So here we're on the very, very back corner of the track. I cannot get back through the pits, which is the easy way around. So now I have to take the hard way around, which is like along the wood line and way over. So we got a long walk ahead of us, boys. Let's go. Oh, shit. Off-camber trail right here. Whoa! absolute wall of people. Madness. Here's Dan. Ah! Where you going?
Podium. We're going to the podium.
Are you gonna dump your beer on someone? Yeah. Oh. Yeah, go for it.
I'm gonna kill you.
You got it.